Okay, good afternoon students. Good afternoon students. So in previous class under the chapter Animal Kingdom, we had discussed about the general characters of what we are going to call that as a reptilia and amphibia. We have discussed amphibian characters as well as reptilian characters in previous video or a previous class. Now today we are going to discuss about the general characters of class Ales and class Mammalia. Class Ales and class Mammalia, and these two are damn easy. What we are going to call it here under this, you have to remember the characters easily, because the most of the examples you are familiar with them. Right now I drawn on the board in a class Ales parrot. You can give any name of a birds. All the birds are come under the what we are going to call it as a class Ales. Now here first characters, when we are going to look at the what birds, these are abundant habitat, both aquatic and terrestrial. Okay, mostly they are terrestrial. Mostly they are terrestrial. And first thing is what we are going to write: presence of feathers. Body is covered by feathers. Okay. Usually in class Ales, the important characteristic features of Ales birds are present in the sense feathers. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S. Feathers are the most present, and most of them are fly. Most of them are fly, and few flightless. Few are the flightless, in the sense flightless. Ostrich. That is the example, or we are going to call it as a ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich is the bird. Ostrich, it is a bird. It is a flightless bird. Most of them are flightless, in the sense except you are means flightless. In that you are going to study about the ostrich. Ostrich is the bird. It cannot be fly. Now first I am going to tell you the general characters, basic, how we are going to fly. First one is body is covered by the feathers. Most of them are fly, and except the ostrich, this is the bird, it cannot fly. This is the first point. Second point, here in earlier what we are going to call it as amphibians and reptiles, we are studying the two pairs of what locomotory organs are there, in the sense limbs we told there, means we are discussed there. Here when we are going to study about the two pairs of limbs, in the sense we are having the two pairs of limbs. Front limbs we are going to call them as a forelimbs, and back we are going to call them as a hind limbs. Forelimbs and hind limbs. ಮುಂದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೋ forelimbs, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಏನದಲ್ಲ forelimbs, ಕಾಲು ಏನದಲ್ಲ hind limbs. ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಜನರಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ forelimbs and hind limbs. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಹಿಯರ್ the forelimbs are modified into wings. Okay, what it is happened? Forelimbs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾಲ, ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ forelimbs are modified into wings, and hind limbs are modified into legs. Okay, forelimbs are modified into what we are going to call it as a wings, and hind limbs are generally have the scales, and these legs are having the generally scales, and these are developed for walking, swimming, clasping, etc. what they are, these are developed for walking, swimming, clasping, etc. Understood? And where you are not going to get, these are without scales. Whatever we are going to hind limbs, they are generally, the hind limbs, they are generally having the scales and they are modified for the walking, swimming, clasping, etc. Then skin is dry. Yesterday we have studied. Skin is dry without glands, except oil glands. In the sense, oil gland at the base of tail. We are going to find only the gland named as oil gland and is present at the base of tail. At the base of the tail. Apart from at the base of the tail, you are not going to find any glands in a skin. Next one is endoskeleton. Whatever the endoskeleton it is there, that is bony. Endoskeleton is bony in the sense ossified. Ossified in the sense skeleton. Endoskeleton is bony. We are going to call that as a ossified. Endoskeleton is fully ossified, that is bony. Next one we are going to study digestive tract of the bird, additional chamber. Here the digestive system is completed. It has digestive system with additional chamber, crop and gizzard. And these crop and gizzard are helpful for what? Sometimes storage of the food and breaking down of the food. That is what digestive system with additional chamber, crop and gizzard. Heart is what we are going to call it as a 4-chamber. Heart, 4-chamber heart you are going to find, that is also in the ventral side. Then here one important thing is, still for so far whatever we have studied regarding the reptiles, regarding the amphibians and the fishes, we were written or we were studied, those all are cold-blooded animals, in the sense we are studied means phycothermic animals. Here from the aves, these all are we are going to call as a homeothermous. Next, these are the homeothermous animals. Homeothermous animals in the sense what? Homeothermous animals in the sense, these are warm-blooded animals or warm-blooded organisms. These can regulate their body temperature. These can regulate or maintain their internal body temperature with the ever-changing external environmental temperature. That is what we are going to call it as a homeothermous animals. And before this, whatever we have studied, 2 classes regarding amphibia and what we are going to call that one as a amphibia, reptiles and fishes. Correctly, those all are what we have studied. Phycothermic animals in the sense cold-blooded. Here, these all are homeothermous animals in the sense warm-blooded animals. They can regulate or they can maintain their constant internal body temperature with the ever-changing external body temperature. Next one is how they are going to respire. Respiration through lungs. Respiration through lungs, and these lungs are supplementary, means supported by the what we are going to call that one as a supplement respiration, in the sense air sacs. There are the, means we are going to find the air sacs. Air sacs are what we are going to call as a supplement or a support for the respiration. Here in a birds we are going to get the air sac. And now the final general characters, in the sense what? Sexes are separated. Then afterwards what we are going to study? Fertilization is internal. Next one is these all are oviparous and development is direct. Oviparous, internal fertilization, sexes are separated. Oviparous, development is direct, in the sense larval stage is absent in class Apes. Okay, these many things we are going to remember. Generally, how we are going to remember in the sense. And another one important point that is not mentioned in your what we are going to call it as a NCERT book. Important point in very important teeth. Okay, teeth absent, in the sense ಅಥವಾ ಹಲ್ಲು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Teeth means tooth ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ singular, teeth ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ plural. Okay, now teeth are absent, beak is present. Teeth are absent, beak is present. Beak, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ beak ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, teeth ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. That is the what teeth ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಲ್ಲು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬುಕ್ನಾಗ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. In the sense, simple ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ when you are going to write the general characters of aves, when you are going to look at the aves, and another one important character I used to tell you that is mentioned in your book, but I missed that point. Now I used to what we are going to call it as recollect that point. Listen carefully first here. First, all the birds, in the sense we are going to call it as a birds come under the aves. They are having the boat-shaped or a spindle-shaped body. Body is covered by the feathers. Okay, most of them are fly except the ostrich. That is what. Then second point, what we are going to write? The forelimbs are modified into wings. Hind limbs are modified into the legs with the scales. They are helpful for walking, swimming, and clasping. Understood? After that, next point, what we are going to write? Teeth are absent. Beak is present. Next, the endoskeleton is made up of what we are going to call it as a bones, and these bones are hollow. What? These bones are what we are going to call it as a hollow. Where are the bones? Here. These bones are hollow. Hollow ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಪ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Hollow, and they are with the air cavity. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ? Air cavity. Hollow and with the air cavity, and these we are going to call them as a pneumatic bones. You can take the pneumatic bones. Spelling it out pneumatic bones there. P-N-E. Okay. U-M-A-T-I-C. This is very important. Pneumatic bones, in the sense bones are hollow with the air cavity. Such type of bones are called as a pneumatic bones, and these bones are found in a aves. And my question is there for you people, why? What is the function of these air cavity or pneumatic bones in a birds? You find out and think about this thing. Why the bones of the birds are hollow? Understood? What is the necessity of becoming a hollow bone in a birds? ಯಾಕೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ hollow bones ಅವ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಏನು ಪಾತ್ರಂದಾಗ ಮೀಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ that time you tell me. Understood? That is one thing. Understood? After that, what else we have studied? These are warm-blooded animals. Heart is four-chambered, and next respiration through the lungs. Air sacs are supplementary. What we are going to call it as a supplement for the respiration. Next one is sexes are separated. Then fertilization is internal. They are oviparous. Development is direct. An example, whatever you want to give the examples: pigeon, parrot, then peacock. The scientific name of peacock is cow. You go and means that is a homework for you people. Once again, you used to write the what example for the aves. In aves, this point is very important. Means all the points are very important, but teeth are absent. Beak is present. Body is covered by the feathers. Pneumatic bones. Okay, and these things we are going to remember. Right? This is about what the general characters of aves. Next, we are going to move on towards the mammals. Here also, what we are going to call them as a these mammals we are going to find where, in the sense these are found in polar ice caps. Mammals are found in polar ice caps. as well as deserts, mountains, forest, grassland, etc. Everywhere you are going to find the mammals. Understood? Caves, dark caves also. Dark caves in the sense you are going to give the name. Means example for the lions and tigers, they used to stay in a caves. Understood? And some of them are have adapted the flies or what they are going to live in a water. Now, mammals are found everywhere. Examples in mammals simple cow you are going to remember that the general characters based on this. But the thing is, wherever you means they are found in variety of habitats. I told you, in the sense few mammals are there. They can fly. For example, bat. Bat it is a mammal. It is a flying mammal. Understood? The most unique mammalian character is present of mammary gland. Here, unique character, one of the most important character of mammals, it is the presence of mammary gland, and these are going to produce the milk. And they have the two pairs of limbs. They have the two pairs of limbs. Those are again modified for the walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, flying, etc. Burrowing, swimming, flying, climbing, etc. Understood? Now, in mammals, you are going to observe the body is covered by what? Hairs. Body is covered by the hairs, and that is also unique character of mammals. Body is covered by hairs. Body is covered by hairs. That is also a unique character of mammal. Afterwards, whatever we are going to have the ears, external pinning. Understood? External ears or we are going to call them that one as a pinning. External ear or external pinning, that is also one important character of mammalia. And the different type of teeth are present in a jaws. In the sense you are going to study next, we are also come under the class mammalia only. We are having the different type of teeth. So I told you, tooth is a plural, teeth is a singular. Teeth, different type of teeth in the sense teeth anangilla. Teeth, different type of teeth andaga molar, premolar, okay, means canines, molar, premolar, ee riti enpa different enpa andaga teeth types bartavu ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ human beings naga ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ mammals ಅಂದ್ರೆ mammals naga different types of teeth bartavu. Understood? And we are going to study that. That is also a very important character. And here, four-chambered heart, we are going to get the four-chambered heart. Four-chambered heart is present in a mammals. Then we are going to study about the what? Again, these are also the homeothermous animals, warm-blooded animals. They can regulate their body temperature. Then respiration through the lungs. That is again same. And next we are going to go for, these are what we are going to call as a viviparous. Viviparous in the sense mammals are going to give birth to the young ones. These are viviparous, except what we are going to call that as a oviparous. Adroga platypus birthday. Platypus is a oviparous mammal. Understood? Then the development is direct. Similar character you are going to write. In mammals, what are the general characters you are going to write in the sense? These are found in different habitats, like I told you, desert, grasslands, then polar ice caps, okay, and few are, they are found in a water, or few are what we are going to call that as a, they used to adapt for the flying. I given the example for the bat. And important unique character in the sense, mammary gland is present, body is covered by the hair, ear pinning is present, heart is four-chambered again, homeothermous, these are the warm-blooded animals, respiration through the lungs, two pairs of what we are going to call that as a locomotor organs are there, forelimbs and hind limbs. They are modified for the walking, climbing, running, swimming, jumping, etc. Like this, you are going to go for, means what is the homework for you people ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮಲಿಯದು ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ನಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ mammary gland, hair, body is covered by the hair, and ear or external pinning. It is the unique character of a mammal, and here all the mammals are viviparous, in the sense they are going to give birth to the young ones, but except I told you platypus. It is a mammal that is an egg laying mammal. Platypus is a egg laying mammal. So important ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ mammal ನಾಗ. One is flying mammal ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. The mammal it is the oviparous ಅಂತಂದಾಗ platypus ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಾಕಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. Understood? ಆನಂತರ ನೀವು reptiles ದಾಗ ಓದಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ reptiles all are 3 chambered except the crocodiles, which are having the 4 chambered heart. Likewise, you are going to remember few important characters or unique characters regarding the particular classes and all. Understood? This is about what the today's class we are discussed about class Aves, the general characters, and class Mammals, general characters. Understood? So here in mammals, mammary gland is the unique character. Body is covered by the air pinning, air or a pinning is present. Then these all are viviparous except platypus, that is the oviparous, in the sense it is to lay the egg. Likewise, the characters you are going to remember and write down the characters one by one. How I written on the board regarding the Aves, used to write down the characters of mammals. That is the homework for you people, and you are going to another one question I told you. ಯಾವ question ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ why the bones are hollow in a bird. What is the importance of these hollow bones in a bird? That is very important. So this is regarding what we are going to call it as a class Aves and class Mammalia. You are going to write the general characters of class Mammals and you used to send it. That is the homework for you people. And here I used to stop. We will continue in a next class. Thank you.